Hello students, as you know we are doing symmetry chapter. So today our topic is lines of symmetry of different figures. Okay, so we will discuss figures one by one. So first I am taking equilateral triangle. You all know equilateral triangle is the triangle whose all sides are same. Okay, so equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry, means lines of symmetry are passing through three vertices and three sides as well. Okay, so next is square. Square has four lines of symmetry: one, two, three, four. Fine. Next, rectangle. Now rectangle is the figure which has opposite sides equal. So rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Now what is the difference between square and rectangle? Squares all sides are equal, and in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. So if you observe in these three pictures, line of symmetry is passing between two equal lines. Okay, see these two equal sides passing through this. Now these two sides are not equal, so we cannot draw here line of symmetry. Okay, so square has four lines of symmetry, but rectangle has only two lines of symmetry because these two sides are not same. Okay, so next is isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle is a triangle whose only two sides are equal. So I am taking these two sides equal. So if these two sides will be equal, then line of symmetry will pass through these two lines only. Okay, so here we cannot draw line of symmetry because these two sides are not same. These two sides are not same, they are unequal. So no line of symmetry can be drawn between these two. Okay, only one line of symmetry will be there. Next is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle you all know, which has all sides unequal. Okay, so if all sides are unequal, we cannot draw any line of symmetry. So scalene has no line of symmetry. Next is rhombus. Now, what is the difference between rhombus and square? Now, first I'll tell you similarity. Okay, in rhombus also four sides are equal, and in square also all sides are equal. In square, each angle is of 90 degree, vertex angle, but in rhombus angles are not of 90 degree. Okay, so rhombus is having only two lines of symmetry. Next is circle. So circle, as you know, circle has infinite number of diameters. So similarly, circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, because what is lines of symmetry? Which is passing through the center, and this is diameter also. So circle has infinite lines of symmetry. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.